sound reach heaven. Because when I had no voice, you heard me. When I had no strength, you stood for me. You came through 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 for me. From my past, you came through for me. To my present, you came through for me. To my future, you came through for me. Forevermore, you came through for me. Say it again. You came through for me. Say it again. You came through for me. Say it again. Everybody now, you came through for me. Let it rise. You came through for me. You came through for me. You came through for me.
DJ Jerryman live in the studio.
You brought me out.
The title for this one is You Brought Me Out. You Brought Me Out. That's the title for this one. Remain connected. Kindly like, share, comment. Let me know how you feel about the praise moment. And if you are still waiting for the worship, it will come at the right time. Remain connected. DJ Jerryman live in the studio.
DJ Jerryman, raise the sound. Let the praise go all around. You brought me out. You brought me out. I was deep inside. You brought me out. You brought me out. You brought me out. I could not escape. You brought me out. When I was trapped, you brought me out. When I was found, you brought me out. When I was sinking, you brought me out. You set me free. You brought me out. You brought me out. You brought me out. No condition. You brought me out. No perfection. You brought me out. Still you love me. You brought me out. Clap your hands. You brought me out. Move your feet. You brought me out. Turn around. Lift it loud. Left side say. You brought me out. Right side say. You brought me out. Everybody say you brought me out. You brought me out. Say it again. You brought me out. Like Joseph in the prison, left alone, forgotten for years, far from home. He told the truth, but still he stayed in chains and silence, day by day. Then one moment everything turned from the prison floor to the palace throne. What was delayed was not denied at the right time. You brought him out. You brought me out. You brought me out. From the lowest place. You brought me me. It changed for me. What I could not fix, God did it for me. It changed for me. It changed for me. I am standing here as a testimony. When I praise, it changed. When I praise, it changed. DJ Jerryman, don't dull him. Let the sound go higher. Because when praise goes up, everything responds. Change for me.
DJ Jerryman live in the studio.
You brought me up. DJ Jerryman, raise the sound. Let the praise go all around. You brought me up. You brought me up. I was deep inside. You brought me up. You brought me up. You brought me up. I could not understand. You brought me up. When I was trapped, you brought me out. When I was bound, you brought me out. When I was sinking, you brought me out. You set me free, you brought me out. You brought me out. You brought me out. No condition, you brought me out. No perfection, you brought me out. Still you love me, you brought me out. You made a way for me.
You Made the Way for Me is the title for this one. We have played You Brought Me Out earlier, so I don't need to repeat that one. We switch to this one.
DJ Jerryman, raise the sound. Let the praise go all around. You made a way for me. You made a way for me. You made a way for me. Where there was no way. You made a way for me. 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 I could not see it. You made a way for me. When I was stuck, you made a way for me. When I was blocked, you made a way for me. Yeah, when I was lost, you made a way for me. Hey, you found my path. You made a way for me. Hey, you made a way. You made a way for me. You made a way for me. No condition. You made a way for me. No qualification. You made a way for me. Just your mercy. You made a way for me. Clap your hands. You made a way for me. Move your feet. You made a way for me. Turn around. You made a way for me. Lift it loud. You made a way for me. Left side say. You made a way for me. Right side say. You made a way for me. Everybody say. You made a way for me. Say it again. You made a way for me. Like the 3 Hebrew boys inside the fire. People saw 4 men walking in the fire. The fire was burning, but they were standing. No smell of smoke, still they were dancing. What should have burned them could not touch them. Inside the fire, you made a way for me. 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 In the middle of fire.
DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Kindly like, share, comment, and I appreciate those that have shown me love already. God bless you for doing that. Your like, your share, your comment mean a whole lot to me on this platform. Thank you for doing that. We are still in praise moment. Don't go anywhere. You didn't leave me is the title for this one. DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Thank you for the reaction on the platform. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the show of love. I sincerely appreciate that. God bless you. We are still in praise moments. Worship will still come up later. Please kindly do the needful. Maybe today is your first time of coming across my show. please kindly do well by follow the account so that you won't miss out on the other subsequent live show such as this, because we make it happening at the right time such as this. Kindly do that. DJ Jerryman live in the studio, and don't forget all these songs have already been made available in all streaming platforms that you can access them at your own convenient time, either being praise or worship, whichever one that you prefer. You are in charge, you are in control of whichever one you want to listen to. Remain connected. The title for this one is You Carried Me. You Carried Me.